how to set dual SIM always on forward calls to any available SIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on SIM Manager. After click on SIM Manager, click on More SIM Settings. After click on More SIM Settings, you will see Dual SIM always on. Here click on Dual SIM always on. After click on this option, make sure turn on this button. After turn on this button, here is showing you two options. Click on Select How to Forward Calls. After click on this option, so you will select forward call from here. After select forward calls, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set dual SIM always on forward calls to any available SIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.